Everyone, welcome to level 2 week of Dogma Summer Camp. So this first video is going to be about creating your first CAD OnShape account. Now OnShape is a lot more complicated than Tinkercad, which was what was used in our level 1 week, but we'll definitely get through it together. Now to get started, look up OnShape free on whatever search engine and go to the first link, which should be OnShape free plan. Leads you to a bluish whitish website and press the big green button. Get started. Okay, this page is pretty important, so pay close attention. First name, not too difficult. Last name, just whatever your name is. And email is pretty important. So for the email part, you're gonna have to input an email that you know how to use and you have access to easily. So if you're not really sure or not really fluent in using your school email, or if you don't have a school email or a personal email, make sure your parents are available and next to you to input this email here, and make sure they're available later to activate the email. So the reason that the email is so important is that after you create your account in number 2, you're gonna have to go to number 3, which OnShape makes you log into your own email and click a link there to verify that you're actually like a person, not just like robot. So for me, I'm just gonna put my school email. And what best describes you is also really important. Make sure you put hobbyist, even though you're probably a student, but a hobbyist enables your account to have more capabilities than a student account. So that's what we want. And check this box, do you agree? And get started again. Now, company name, also pretty important. So this part, please don't put Dogma, do not put Dogma. Put anything besides Dogma, because we're not really responsible for, I guess, your account. Well, we are responsible for you to, like, I guess, know how to make it. So make something up, I don't know, pencil sharpeners. Now industry, definitely put other, since you made that up. Number of CAD users, just you, so 1. CAD system is OnShape. Level interest, no interest. This is just for the purpose that, for your account's sake. Time frame, no time frame. CEO can be your position. And your mobile phone number is going to be pretty important also. So don't make up like a mobile phone number like how you made up the company name. Actually, I don't know, go to your parents and ask for their mobile phone number to input here. So if you're worried about that, OnShape is going to spam you with text messages or phone calls or leak your information to other third-party websites, I guess. Don't worry about that. They never really do that. Yes, just input your mobile phone number here and click on I'm not a robot. It should come through unless you're not a robot. Unless you are a robot. So now create your account. I can't really click this because I didn't input my phone number. And after you click this, it should lead you to number 3, which directs you to, which basically like OnShape makes you go into your email and click on a link, and then you should be set up to go. And transitioning on to the next video, we're going to be learning about the dashboard and sketching in OnShape. See you guys in the next one.